In this video, I'll be reviewing the Zyber prescription lenses for the Oculus Quest 2. If you're wearing glasses just like I do, and you know how frustrating it is when you get reflection when the glasses are pressing against the lens of the Oculus Quest, pressing against your face, it's not very comfortable. I always thought getting some prescription lenses, but after seeing the prices, I was quite turned down. Until now, when I discovered Zyber, which is, I would say, one of the most affordable options out there. This is the box that your Zyber lenses are coming in. Once you open it up, you have here a hard shell protective case if you want to transport them. Once you open this, here are your lenses. What else did you got? So you also got a microfiber, a quite large one. I really like that this is included. And you also get a manual here that will tell you how to install those lenses, and your prescription will be right on the top here. As you can see, these lenses also have a blue light filter, which is very important, I think, if you're playing your Oculus Quest late at night, since we all know blue light can keep you awake for longer. And having this option is quite handy since these are quite well priced. To install them is very easy and can be done in just 2 minutes. So let's take them out of the packaging. Now, once you took them out, you're gonna notice that there is two parts. One is the base and the other one is the actual lens. You can see the reflection over here. What you'll need to do first is to install the base on your Oculus Quest 2. So to do so, just take out the base. They're magnetic, so you just need to disconnect them. The magnets are quite strong, so you just need to separate them like this. All right, now we have the bases. On your Oculus Quest 2, you'll need to remove this part over here. To do so, just take your thumbs and unclip it. You just need to push it and it will unclip itself. Take it away and it will be much easier. Now you're gonna notice that one is for the left side and one is for the right side. To know which one is which, all you have to do is to check, and on this side where you can see the magnets, you're gonna see a little letter over here. I know it's hard to see, but here there is an R, and on the other one, again, it's hard to see, but there is an L over here. So let's start with the right side. If you look closer near a magnet, one of the three magnets, there is an arrow pointing. You see? Right over there. And to align it, it's quite easily actually. All you have to do is to make sure that this arrow is pointing at the proximity sensor in the middle. So the arrow is over here. I will align it this way so it points at the proximity sensor, and I will align it, okay? And you'll need to push until you hear a click. Let me demonstrate. So it's aligned, and I press, and I think you heard it clicked in place. It's very sturdy. Once it clicked, you can even try to remove it and it will be really hard. You can remove it, by the way, afterwards, but you'll need to put some pressure. All right, so we did this side. Let's do the other one. I take the adapter, I locate the arrow that is right over here. I put it so it points the proximity sensor. Here we go. I heard the click. I just make sure that is secure. It is. And you're done. You're gonna take your lenses, and I suggest, if it's the first time you're using them, to wipe them with the microfiber, just to make sure that there's no dust on them when you insert them. To know which one is the left side and which one is the right one, there's a small indentation here with the letter L, and on the right one there's a small R over here. I know it's hard to see, but it's there. They'll also have an arrow, and this is very important since if you remember on this adapter there's an arrow too. and you'll try to match this arrow with that one, so you know which magnet goes where. All you have to do is just clip it this way. You don't need to press, you don't need to apply any pressure. The magnets are very strong and it keeps it in place right away. To remove it, you really need to take 2 fingers and pull it out. Okay, so it's very easy to install. The same with the left one. I locate the small arrow over here and the arrow is over there. So all I have to do is put it over and the magnet will do the job, and voila. As I said, they're very sturdy. I'm trying to shake it hard and they're not moving. I think you'll really need to smash it for them to fly away. So this is very nice. Once you're done, don't forget to put this mask on. All you have to do is to align it and then with your thumbs, press around, make sure it clicks, make sure it's secure, and you're good to go. I have been using these lenses for the last week, and here are my conclusion on this product. Well, my first impression is that not having to wear my regular eyeglasses that I wear, for everything is quite a huge change for me. I noticed that I can play much longer without having that pain, since the eyeglasses were pressing against my nose here and creating some kind of pain on my nose. And overall, it's a much more comfortable option. Second of all, I'm not the only one in this house using this headset, so I was quite worried that my friends won't be able to actually use the headset, but this is not true since you can remove those prescription lenses quite easily. You see, just in like 2 seconds, and somebody else can play that don't need any prescription. Another point is that the durability of these products seems to be quite high. It's aluminum here and I don't see any scratches of using it even after a week, and I don't see why there will be scratches anyway. But yeah, they're pretty sturdy. So overall, I'm quite happy with these. For under $80, I think really I'm quite impressed. I was expecting a much cheaper quality build and product, but compare them to other prescription lenses that are cost sometimes even double. These seem to be very great. These seem to have the same features as the other one, so I don't see why you'll pay more for these. If you want to order them, I have put a link in the description. It's non-affiliate, so I'm not making any money out of that link. But just so you know, the ordering process was very easy. You just have to complete here with your prescription. You can get your prescription at any optician, local ones, take it and input the data there. And it should arrive quite quickly as well. I think mine took a week and a few days to arrive at my home here in Canada. So I have really no complaint on that aspect. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and maybe even leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.